Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a paracord zipper pull. Looks like this. So I'm going to show you how to make one that is gray. So first thing is get a cord around 30 inches, then then you loop it like this. So then you get your finger, your thumb and your pointer finger to spread out all the way. Spread it out all the way. So right where your thumb is, keep that spot. And then what you do is you get the cord, wrap it over around the other side. You get the other side, put it over this cord, under, whoop, this came out. Put under, let's see, made it too high there. So you have to make sure that where your thumb is where you make the knot, because otherwise it'll make it like up here, and you don't want that. So right here, finger down, over, then over and under. Does not, oh, there we go. So then you pull, there we go. So next step, you get the side that went over, or where the bump is. You pull that over, the other side around, and pull. Then what I do is grab, then pull up. So you squish it up to the top. So again, bump, over and under, through, pull, pull. So you do this around 5 or 6 times, and you put it on zippers, you can do anything with it. Let's see. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. Just if you're a beginner, try making the knot once or twice. Then once you get the hang of it, you can speed up, and then once you're really good, you would do it like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so now that's done. You cut off the ends so you have about 1 centimeter left. Snip it off. Snip it off. Next thing you do is get your lighter. Get the cord to just where it starts to melt. Then push it in and flip up. There. And then you melt it. Make it until it's a pretty good glob at the end. Then flare it with the end of the lighter, the tube of it. There, that one's in. Just get the little piece of nylon that that stretched off. I'm gonna melt that off. So same with this side. Be careful that you don't melt it too much, because then it'll be the big glob will come off, and then yeah, fire hazard, and you burn yourself. So you have to be very careful. Sometimes you have to do it a lot. It doesn't melt a lot. So that's it, finished. And what I do is get my lanyard, which I showed you how to make in another video. So the little black part where you melted the two ends together, what you do is go directly across. If there's not a knot there, put it around. So put the around and put it through itself. And then you pull. And you do that the same way for zippers. Just on zippers, you put the loop end through the hole in the zipper, and then put it through itself, and you get a zipper pull. So here is the zipper pull / lanyard decoration, and see you next time.